This right here is the most used sauna of all the saunas I have in my house. And in today's video, I'm gonna explain why. First, let's turn it on. All right, so let's talk about it. This is the Sun Home Saunas Luminar 5. It's probably one of their most popular saunas from my standpoint because a lot of people reach out and ask me their opinions on, hey, like what sauna should I buy? This is my outdoor space. So like if you ever wanted to ask me my opinion and get like my actual like specific advice on your home gym setup, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. It's DMoss Jr. I respond to everything myself. I don't have a team and I don't currently have any desire to like sell my services to you. I love the fact that YouTube allows me to put content out like this that's free. You don't have to pay to watch this. You don't have to buy a PDF from me or anything like that. I feel like that's what everybody does, and it's honestly freaking annoying. I would rather just give you my opinion, and if my opinion matters to you and if my experience is helpful, I feel like God's giving me the opportunity to do it, so that's what I'm gonna do. So why this sauna? Why is this the most used sauna at my house? Well, one, it's over here by my gym. So I have an outdoor gym. I invite people from all over the world. If you're ever in Tampa and you want to work out with me, you are invited to. If you think you can hang with me in a workout, that's kind of the prerequisite. Is you gotta be able to hang. It's gonna be a tough workout. It's gonna challenge you. It's gonna push you. But yeah, I love having people come over and work out with me. This sauna just happens to fit the vibe of my gym. My gym is in the woods on the side of my house. Everything's black. The sauna happens to be black. It looks really, really cool. It looks really stealthy. I also have the Sun Home Cold Plunge Apex Pro, which is an insane cold plunge. It creates ice. It's a little too cold sometimes, but it just looks really cool, and people love getting in the sauna afterwards. It's a great backdrop for our photos and videos working out in our gym. That is probably reason number one why it's here. It has nothing to do with any of the things I'm gonna talk to you about that I've experienced. It's really just, dang, the sauna looks really cool. Big black tinted glass front, so it kind of acts as a mirror, and you know, we're working out, we're all a little vain. We like to see the sweat, we like to see the muscles, we like to see the tan that's coming from working out outside. So that's reality. That's probably why this sauna is here, and probably why the sauna will stay here, because I do move things around as much as possible. I do get to review a bunch of products. So if you watch any of my videos, they're not biased. I get the opportunity to review Sun Home Saunas and all of its competitors. And that's kind of what I want to talk about in this video. So I've reviewed a lot of the competitors to this sauna, and I'm going to remove traditional saunas from this video at all, because I don't think you can compare an infrared, far infrared, full spectrum infrared, or traditional sauna on that same rail, because they're all very different. And I have videos like that. So if you have never seen any other videos on my channel, make sure you subscribe and go check out the sauna playlist. It's got all sorts of resources on saunas, from like how to clean it, if it's healthy to do while you're sick. Anytime I have a good question, someone reaches out with a good question, I usually make a video answering that question with my experience and my opinion. So let's talk about this specifically. This is a full spectrum sauna, meaning I have 10 full spectrum heaters. That's what this light is. So if you have no idea what creates heat inside a sauna, there's a heating mechanism. If it's a wood fire sauna, meaning no electricity, the log and fire are creating that heat. That heat is hitting that stove, and that stove is radiating the heat out into the sauna. If you've ever been into a fire sauna or stood in front of a fireplace, you feel the heat off of the fire. That's the heat coming off of that natural log. But that's not what we're in today. Today, we're inside a full spectrum infrared sauna. So the easiest example I can make, and it's not a perfect comparison, is like, imagine you just bought yourself an iguana. That iguana needs heat, radiant heat, to grow, be healthy, and survive. So you put one of those red lamps on top of the cage, and that red lamp creates a nice little spot of heat. The iguana sits there, gets its heat, and then it moves on with life. It needs it for life, specifically. Plants need sun to live. Very similar. This is a similar solution. It's a full spectrum heat, so you're getting every spectrum coming out of this light, and the heating element creates radiant heat. So I've only been in the sauna for as long as I've been recording this video, and it's already 114 degrees with the door open, and I'm already starting to sweat because this is creating a radiant heat that actually penetrates through my body. Whereas a traditional sauna or that wood fire sauna that I compared here a little bit ago, they're creating an external heat, an air heat. So my body is feeling the heat, and then it's reacting to that heat. This heat is actually penetrating through my body. That's the cool thing about infrared. Infrared actually can go through our body at different millimeters. And that's one of the reasons this sauna is so fun to have over here by the gym, because there's a lot of great benefits to using a sauna after a workout. I think a lot of people might have already heard that, which is great. Like the benefit to heat therapy after hypertrophy workouts is really beneficial for the muscle, which I agree. And I love this sauna because instead of it being 230 degrees of just like disastrous heat after a super intense workout, you can come in here at 150 to 170 degrees, like ambient temperature in the air, and feel an intense heat but you're able to breathe through it. You're able to sit in here through it. It's not too intense to where like you have to get out just to purely survive. And the fact that this sauna has 10 full spectrum heaters is incredible, whereas most of the competitors in this size range, they have maybe 2, maybe 4 full spectrum heaters. So you're getting a lot more heaters, and that's creating much more heat, so you're getting a much faster response and a much better experience, in my opinion. They also use cedar inside the sauna, where a lot of infrared saunas use hemlock or a hard wood. Cedar is just a more pleasant wood in my experience inside a sauna, so I'm glad that they chose to use cedar. They also use this glass that has tint, and it's got a lot of thermal efficiency because of that, meaning it keeps the heat in, it keeps the elements out. Does a really good job, whereas a thinner, more clear glass isn't going to have the same effect. There's also an optional red light panel. I don't really use it that often. I personally would rather use my red light panel on its own. Usually I do it first thing in the morning. I'll go outside, get morning sun and ground, come in, make my coffee, grab my Bible, and I'll do my Bible study or my Bible reading while I'm standing on a vibration plate in front of my red light panel. That's just my routine. If you don't have time for that, it's very nice to have the red light panel. You just want to make sure that you're actually standing pretty close to it. Like, the benefits of a red light panel happen the closer that you get to it. And then of course there's speakers and cool chromotherapy lighting and all the normal features that you might see in a premium sauna. But there's one thing a lot of people focus like heavily on, and Sun Home isn't focusing that heavily on, and I'm actually like happy about it, because to me simple is better, less things that can go wrong. And that's on the control panel. The control panel is actually pretty simple. There's a power button, a light button, and a Bluetooth button. Like, that's it. There's no fancy screen that can overheat. There's no fancy screen that you can break and then all of a sudden you can't use your sauna for any reason. So I like that they keep the simple things simple and the important things important. And all of that's great. That's the experience inside. Like, look at me. I am dripping sweat while sitting here talking about this. But what I'm most excited about, and probably like the biggest differentiation between this one and all the other competitors, is this is like the only full spectrum infrared sauna I've seen that is truly outdoor rated. They fully cap the top in a steel roof, so all the components are safe from the elements. I've had mine outside in the elements, in the thunderstorms, in the hurricanes since day one, and it still looks beautiful, with the exceptions of some spider webs and wasps that build their nests on the outside. The inside has stayed bug free, and the outside has stayed looking beautiful because of the materials that they're using. And I would say this, if you're someone who has an outdoor space and you're looking for a really beautiful, luxurious sauna that actually works, that actually gives you the experience that you need from a sauna, definitely consider Sun Home saunas. Consider the Luminar 5. I always tell people, especially if you're a family of like 2 to 4 and maybe have plans on expanding there, I would always try to recommend, if you can, if it's in the budget, if it's in the wheelhouse, get a sauna that you can invite friends into. A lot of times people will spend a really decent amount of money on a 2-person sauna, and then they quickly realize, like, man, I can't like even invite my friends. Like, we can't actually really enjoy this. And a lot of 2-person saunas are just a little too tight to get to have fun. This is so big and it's so effective that I can come in here alone by myself and have an incredible experience, but also I can have 5, 6 friends in here and we can have a great experience together. So if it's in the wheelhouse, try to get a bigger sauna than you probably feel like you need, because it's always nice to have your friends in your community in there with you. And Sun Home is allowing me to offer you a discount. That is down in the video description. It's a link and a discount code. It does support the channel, so thank you if you do purchase, but it also saves you an exclusive amount of money that you won't find anywhere else. And that's it. I just wanted to answer the question, what is the most used sauna at your house? I would say this is the most used sauna at my house. I have a lot of saunas that we have the opportunity to use on a daily basis, and yes, we use all of them. They all get some use, but really, like, having this over here by the gym, the look, the feel, the effectiveness, how it actually like makes us feel after a workout, or even like right now while I'm filming, it's currently a little unmatched. There's really not another sauna out there that like could replace this one that I'm aware of. And if there is, let me know. Let me know in the comments below if there's another sauna you think I should be reviewing or checking out. Either way, I appreciate you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, my friend, and God bless.